Hello and welcome to Get into DevOps, the Masterclass. My name is Miro and I'll be your instructor for this course. My day-to-day job as a DevOps consultant is all about helping large companies deliver better software using DevOps tools and methodologies. On this course, I want to do everything in my power to help you learn more about DevOps tools and ways of working. Before we get to the contents of the course, I'd like to remind you that Udemy now asks for your feedback very early into the course. If you feel like you're not ready to give feedback yet, you can postpone it until the end of the course, but please do leave a review afterwards. This will help me improve as an instructor and it will help other students find this course. To make learning as easy as possible, I've split this course into two parts. The first part is about DevOps concepts. After this part, you will understand three things. First, what exactly is the problem DevOps is trying to fix, outlining the issues with siloed teams in software delivery organizations. Second, you will be able to confidently discuss continuous integration, continuous delivery, and continuous deployment, and understand where these concepts sit in a software delivery pipeline. You will also understand why frequent feedback loops are important for continuous improvement in a software delivery organization. Third, you'll learn how to implement DevOps ways of working. You'll learn that perhaps even contrary to popular belief, DevOps is and should be a job title, but it is a teaching and coaching role more than a pure engineering role. You will learn that delivery team autonomy is key for making DevOps work for an organization, and you will learn how to implement DevOps at scale using the DevOps teacher model. After you understand the theory behind building automation, we'll get to the hands-on part. This part is about deep dives into the most popular DevOps tools. I'm not going to bore you with hours and hours of videos per tool, but instead, we'll be looking at the basic functionality of each tool through hands-on tutorials. This will enable you to know what the tools are used for and how to learn more in your own pace. I've split the tools part into 4 sections. First, we'll be covering the most popular cloud platforms. We'll be looking at the basic features of all platforms and the managed services they provide. Second, you'll learn how to build and run Docker containers and how to deploy them onto container orchestration platforms. Third, you'll learn how to build and deploy applications using pipeline automation tools. And fourth, we'll be looking at infrastructure as code and configuration management tools. Note that this doesn't mean that you should use every single tool for every single project. Instead, we'll be wrapping up each section with a short summary highlighting the key differences and the main features of each tool. This will help you choose the best tool for your individual project. If you have any questions about the tools and concepts we cover, please do send me a message and I'll do my best to help you. Thank you and happy learning!